Hello, thanks for watching this video. Open a horizontal or vertical template in Photoshop. Double-click to edit the Smart Layer Replace. Place a photo in the document. Close the temporary file. Click Save in the dialog window. The base filter contains film blur and grain. This can be turned off if needed. Expand the film frames layer group and select the appropriate frame. You can put your text on top of the frame. The Film Burn Effect group contains 5 overlays that you can combine, transform and change the transparency to alter the overall effect. The Color Lookup layer group contains various color distortions typical for color films. You can also combine and change the strength of the effect. If you want to make a black and white photo, use the option from the BW Effect layer group. The Matte Effect group will make the colors more muted and restrained. Finally, processing. Color processing will add color distortion to the entire frame. For a finishing touch, you can also add some more time artifacts with the help of dust textures from the group Dusted Film Textures. Your beautiful negative photo is ready. But that's not all. You can create negative collages with multi-frame templates. To do this, process in the same style in a single frame photo template. But don't apply frame overlays. Use different film burn overlays. Also, don't apply the final color processing. We'll do it in a multi-frame template. Export the result to a JPG, save it on your computer. Open the multi-frame template. Double-click to edit the Smart Layer Replace and place these edited photos. Pick an effect option from the Color Processing layer group. Voila! Your collage of negatives is ready. Check out other templates from the Photo Time Machine Ultimate Collection.